Welcome to our channel. Today we how to transfer recordings from Zoom to Google Drive automatically step by step clearly. Open your Zoom application and sign in to your account. Navigate to the settings by clicking on your profile picture in the upper right corner. In the settings menu, look for the recording tab on the left panel. Under the recording tab, locate the section that says Save Recordings to. Change the default location if needed, ensuring it's easy to access. Now, open your Google Drive in a web browser. In Google Drive, create a new folder for organizing your Zoom recordings. Once you have the folder, click on Settings in the upper right corner of Google Drive. Select Manage Apps from the drop-down menu. Look for the option to Connect More Apps. In the search bar, type Zapier and click. Follow the prompts to link your Google Drive account with Zapier. After connecting, head back to the Zapier dashboard. Click on Make a Zap to create a new automation workflow. For the Trigger app, choose Zoom. Select the trigger event, New Recording, and click Continue. Link your Zoom account by following the prompts on the screen. Choose the appropriate Zoom account and click Continue. Next, test the trigger to ensure everything is set up correctly. Once the test is successful, click on Continue. Now move to the Action step. Select Google Drive as the Action app. Choose the Action Event Upload file and click Continue. Link your Google Drive account if you haven't done so yet. Select the Drive folder you previously created for your Zoom recordings. In the File field, choose the option that corresponds to the recording file. Adjust any additional settings as needed. Click Continue to proceed. Test the action to ensure it uploads correctly to Google Drive. Once the test is successful, click Turn on Zap to activate the workflow. Your Zoom recordings will now automatically upload to Google Drive when they are created. For a seamless experience, keep your Zoom and Google Drive applications updated. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.